Go ahead. I know you can do it. Try. Come on, you can do this. I believe in you. Run. Get those hands in the snow. And climb. Yeah! 1 foot up, 1 foot up. The other foot, the other foot. Go, 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 go. No? If I had my gloves, I would have given it to old one too. Come on, try one more time. Okay, stand here. Look at. Stand here. Run to the hill. Ready? 1, 2, 3, run! Get up that hill. Go, 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 go. Demetrius would go up to the top. Oh yeah, he would make sure to go up to the tippity top. You gotta dig those feet in. No? Alright, let's just go. But that's pretty nice, huh? Finally. This is what my winters looked like when I was a kid. Oops. Oh! Come on, Nicholas. Oh! I don't think so. Yeah, there's some kids over there climbing up to the top. There they go! There they are! Alright. Change hands. You want to go up there and play or no? Good. Oh. Nicholas. Nicholas. Oh, you're saying hi to David back there. Oh. This is Nick. Go ahead, Nicholas. You want to try? Oh my god, it's so dang cold out here. My hands are cold.